welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing very well. I thought I'd do like a little bit of a nice cozy evening. Sorry, Bridget's just doing a little crazy roll on the floor. You might be able to hear him, it just distracted me. Hang on, just having a mad moment. Oh, he stopped now. Oh, you got an itchy scar? You're still struggling a bit, aren't you? Since he had, let me put the camera back. Since he had his operation on his spine, it's still, I mean, it was quite a while ago now, but he still finds his scar quite itchy. He's had it checked and everything, it's fine, but he just finds it, like he keeps checking it, but he can't reach it, so, which is, you know, a blessing because he can't scratch it or anything. Yeah, he's too long, so he can't get to it. But anyway, today's video, yeah, I thought I'd do like a bit of a cozy evening. The boys are at their dad's, which is always a good excuse for me to have a little bit of me time. I did the school run this morning, and then I've just been working all day. I've been editing, so basically just staring at the laptop all day, and I've got a really like fuzzy head. You know when you're like overtired and it almost feels like a hangover? That's how I feel at the minute. I'm just actually, yeah, I'm having a coffee, which I shouldn't be doing at this time, but I'm just hoping it'll like clear my head a little bit. I don't think it's helped that I've just been staring at a computer screen all day. So I'm just finishing up some work. Got to finish like uploading a video and doing a thumbnail, that sort of thing, and then I'm going to take Rue out. It's a really nice evening actually, like it's nice and sunny, it's not that cold, like it's just a perfect autumn night, which I'm hoping will just clear my head a little bit. And then I'm going to make something nice to eat. I've got a bit of food shopping coming as well. I'm really in the mood to bake something as well, so that might be on the cards. I'm also going to spend the evening, because I'm so sick of looking at screens, I'm reading a new book. So this is what I am currently reading. It has been sent to me, but it is just so up my street. I love these kind of romantic literatures. I love like that escapism, so I'm going to snuggle up later and continue reading this because it's just the perfect thing for an autumn evening. It's like set in Paris and it's October time, like it's just nice. Like it really does just take you to a different place, like in your head, and I just love that. So yeah, that's the plan for this evening. I also got these, which I'm really excited about because they've just come through the door. Oh my god, they're so snuggly looking. So they're slipper socks. They've got like grippers on the bottom as well, so I'm not going to go sliding all around the house. But how nice would these be for a little Christmas present? Little pom-poms on as well. I'm excited to put them on. So yeah, finishing some work, walking the dog, that is what is on the agenda. Ready? Okay, keep going. Good boy. Now and go home. Come on. You're gonna come sit. Bye. I've actually just had a whole load of shopping delivered. It's just all big mountain of food, but just a couple of things I wanted to show you. A lot of it is just like boring generic stuff, but I did, because I'm craving just all the time lately, apple crumbles. It must be the time of year. It's just so much better than an apple pie in my opinion. I just love an apple crumble. So I bought some apples because obviously they are necessary for the apple crumble. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be making tonight, and I've got like the sugars and things that I need somewhere. I didn't really think this through when I piled it up like this. It's very hard to actually see what on earth I've got. But I also got some of these as well, which I've got for the kids for when they are back. Whether they'll like them or not, they might just eat the outside. Probably leave the apple, but of course it's very very apt for this time of year. So I've got 2 chocolate ones because Dylan and Archie I think will like that more. I've got a Rocky Road one, and then that one with like sprinkles on, and then Toby, oh no, and then Toby doesn't like chocolate, so I got him the standard caramel toffee apple. So that might actually be the best of them, because I do think that's a bit nicer than chocolate on an apple, but I just know that they'll love that. So yeah, got them a little treat. But other than that, I've just got a lot of the normal stuff. Like I say, I'm going to make a crumble. I'm also going to have myself some soup for tea. So I've got some sourdough bread, which I'm just, again, going, oh, big shake, Roo, big shake. I'm going through a real phase of just eating a lot of sourdough bread at the moment. I'm just loving it. I've got my usual yogurt as well, which I get through so much of this, and me and the kids do. That was on offer. Yeah, pitters, because I've got some of my fave. Goat's cheese, pitters, sun-dried tomatoes, this, red pesto. Oh, it's just all so good together. I'm also going to do myself a hot chocolate, because why not? Why not have a nice piece of crumble and a hot chocolate? So I've got the Tassimo pods, some of this whipped cream, and this, which I'm really excited about. I actually didn't order this one. I ordered a salted caramel one, but they've sent this as a substitute. Not seen this before. Vanilla sugar dusting. So this is really nice on hot drinks. So I'm so excited to sprinkle some of this on top of my hot chocolate. I think it's going to be really nice. But yeah, I'm going to get all this put away, and then I'm going to get making my crumble, I think. I've got to say, guys, quite possibly the most delicious crumble ever. If I do say so myself. It was very loosely followed recipe, but I will leave an actual proper recipe that's pretty similar to what I made down below. But oh my god, absolutely delicious. I have heard so much about this brand, this CERAVE, just about it being amazing, so I really wanted to try it. I haven't given it enough of a go yet to give like my opinion on it, but this does make your skin feel so soft. So this is really good, like just for bumpy skin. And then I've got a hydrating cleanser. So I'm going to take my makeup off with this trusty micellar water, then cleanse, and then put a load of this all over me, and then put my pyjamas on. These are another thing that I just want to share as well. I got them from Home Bargains. They're like little gummies that are supposed to be good for hair and nails. So yeah, I've just been having 2 of them a day and hopefully they'll do something. If not, they taste really nice. It's just like I could eat quite a few of them. Like they are quite just, well, they're just like sweets. But yeah, they were just from Home Bargains. They did like different ones as well, like for different things. So yeah, if anybody else has tried them, let me know how you got on with them, or if they do anything, because again, I don't really feel like I've used them for long enough to really know. I think you get, how many do you get in here? You take 2 a day. I think there's like 60 in here, so it's like a 30 day, like a month. So yeah, we shall see. Sorry, but is this not just the actual coziest setup you've ever seen in your life? I'm trying to find somewhere that I'm going to put this chair, because it's normally in a corner, but that's where the Christmas tree goes, and the Christmas tree is going to be making an appearance. Everything needs to get out of its way. So I need to find somewhere for this chair to go, but I actually really like having it like by the fire, even though it's not even letting out any heat, and it's actually a bit broken and the flames don't move on it anymore, but it doesn't matter. It's still me sitting by a fire. And I've got my fairy lights, got my big fat pumpkins. Look at them. Oh, it's still got the tag on. Anyway, I'm going to put these bad boys on. Yeah, I've been looking forward to putting these on. This is just going to keep my feet so toasty warm. Look at these. Yeah, a little bit obsessed with them. They're really soft inside. It's just nice to have something like this on instead of a pair of slippers. Like sometimes walking around in slippers, and then when you're sitting on the chair, you take the slippers off and then your feet get cold. So no more cold feet for me. I wanted to show the oils properly that I've just put in my oil diffuser. So it's these that are new, well, new to me. I've just got them off Amazon. Look at all of these scents. I'm obsessed with them. Like I used to be such a big wax melt fan, but I just love the oil diffuser because obviously I haven't got to use candles or anything, and you can set it on a timer. And yeah, I am a little bit obsessed with these because they're just all my favourite scents. I haven't tried them all. I love vanilla anything. So we've got cinnamon, pumpkin, fallen leaves, vanilla, harvest spice and cider. Absolute every scent of autumn that you could possibly want. So here I am, fire lit, and then you've just seen me put fall leaves in my oil diffuser, so it smells amazing in here. I wish you could smell it. So I'm gonna go and make myself a hot chocolate, which is a nice treat for me. Like I feel like it's one of those things that when you don't have one for ages and then you have one, you realise how much you like them. And I've got cream in. I'm gonna use some of that like vanilla dusty stuff as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna snuggle up in my chair and do a little bit of reading. So just to give a little update on the vanilla sugar dusting, it is a really nice little added touch to a hot chocolate, so I would definitely recommend it. And now on to A Wedding in Provence. So this is a new book by Katie Ford, who is a #1 best-selling author of really uplifting feel-good fiction, and that is exactly what this is. I think letting yourself get lost in a good book is just the greatest escape from the worries and stresses of everyday life, and this is definitely one of those books that just gives you that warm fuzzy feeling inside and just takes you to a different place. Just a perfect bit of escapism for these colder autumn nights. Guys, I'm gonna leave the video here because I am ready for bed. I am very tired. Yeah, I'm gonna leave details of some of the things that I've mentioned down below, including the book and the socks and the little oils and all of that sort of thing. Oh, and the recipe as well for crumble. So yeah, yeah, I hope you enjoyed tonight's little cosy video. You ready for bed, Ro? Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed? Yeah. So me and Reed are going to go up to bed now, aren't we, buddy? Thank you for watching. I would love to see you again for my next one. Take care, everyone.